Hi, today I'm explaining about tracing in Animate CC. Okay, how to trace any character, any logo, any artwork, because we have to vectorize first. If you want to animate this, your character, animate your character, we have to trace. Okay, so first for that we have to import your drawing. Okay, so this is your stage. Okay, so the layer is empty. Okay, and click on that, and from file, so from import option we have import to stage and import to library. Okay, so if you import to stage, directly your image can display in the stage. Okay, so the difference between import to stage and library, if you import on stage, when you are working, sometimes mistakenly if you delete that, okay, again you have to import that image from the source. But if you import to library, so this is your library. Okay, from library you can drag onto the stage. Okay, suppose mistakenly you can delete that from the stage, again from the library you will get that image. The same way many times you will get that image. So that is the benefit of the library. And when you animate anything, so you have to keep the all the your symbols and all the stuff, your backgrounds and whatever the stuff can store in library only. Okay, so those things we will discuss in the coming lessons. Okay, yes, first I'm importing to library. The source is my image is on desktop. Okay, suppose I'm using my sketch here, the image 004. Okay, see, I import to library, so there is no image on my stage because it is not imported on stage. Now from the panels, the right side panels, the book like symbol is there, then you can click on that, and from the library here the name is image 004, and you can click on that, the preview is displaying. Okay, you can grab this on stage, or otherwise from this you can drag onto stage. Yes, see this is very bigger than the stage. Now what you do, there are here options, so information, and here is the alignments. Okay, so these are the alignments, left, suppose center, but I want to use this, suppose here, here, fit to stage. But when you use this option fit to stage, it is fit to the stage applied, but it is stretched. Okay, so that case what you have to do, you can manually, you can reduce the size. How we reduce the size? By pressing this pre-transform tool. Here the shortcut is Q. Okay, now by pressing shift, from any corner, not these sides are width or top, so four corners, these four corners, by using shift you decrease the size on stage. Okay, yes, this is my image. We have to trace this. Actually this is my drawing. Next I am trying to trace this. How to trace? Yes, in layer panel, this is the panel, give the name image, otherwise source image, or otherwise drawing. Okay, so there is a black spot is there. Okay, and timeline, black spot is there, that means there is a drawing or sketch, whatever the shape, it is there on stage. Then what you do, over on the source image layer, you can create one more layer here. Okay, so empty layer is created there. just beside that empty frame, the first frame it is showing empty, and the second frame right click. Okay, here you can clearly follow, right click and insert blank keyframe. So here this is our first frame, and the second frame right click and insert blank keyframe applied. Now your stage is displaying nothing, so that means what? See, come on to the first frame. So these are all the frames. Suppose make it medium size. Yes, these are all frames 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 5 category separated, so 5 frames displaying. Okay, at first frame your drawing is displaying, but you applied blank keyframe at second frame. So that is the reason your first frame is there only, but in second frame first frame is not extended. So that is the reason in second frame not showing anything. So then how to show? Because you want to trace. See here the options are there. Here click on the onion skin, click on the onion skin. Now the transparenciness showing. Okay, so if you want to see properly, you can use any kind of background color. Okay, that is depends on your visibilityness and the eyesight. Suppose you can use any color. Here I am using this yellow instead of white. Yes, now what I have to do, by using this line tool we are tracing. So press line tool and then here turn that drawing mode into object by clicking that. Okay, and then I draw this line. Okay, so for time being use it red, or otherwise make a black color also. Okay, now this is the line tool. The line tool shortcut is N. After adding line tool, use this by using this selection tool. By using this selection tool, click on that, and there is a cursor showing that curviness, the curve shape. Then you can lift your shape. You can drag this and you can keep anywhere. Okay, and now I want to use one more line. So here every time no need to click on the line tool and this selection tool. I'm using shortcut. For line tool I'm using N. Line tool activated. Okay, to reshape that I'm using V, selection tool, V, shortcut, selection tool. Okay, and here again N and V. So continuously by using V and N you do that. Okay, next again I'll use N and V. Okay, and suppose here N and V, and again N and V, and again N and V continuously. Just follow my method, then you will understand what I am doing actually. so sometimes make it control S and here I'm saving this is the 11th one, 11th animate CC, not tools are over, animate CC tracing character or otherwise drawing. Animate CC tracing character. Okay, save. Right. Next, so we can make continuously. So N and V. Yes. And again N. Okay. Now I add all these details. Okay, so I'm copying this, Control C, Control V, because I want the same line here. So instead of doing again and again, so I use it copy and paste. Okay, and Control S. Okay, there, so that some symbol is there, I'm not doing. Suppose here I bit extended bit outside because for the naturality, because hair falling outside. Okay, so okay, and here so N, don't forget N and V I'm using. So N and V I'm using. Okay, the tracing is very important in Flash Animate CC, because on tracing also you will have a jobs in market. Okay, if you are a good tracing artist, definitely you will have a very good jobs. Tracing is not simply making outline around your sketch. So this is very important. We have to understand the character mode and artist, animator, otherwise character designer his idea, intention to make that the particular expression. Okay, so without understanding these things, simply you cannot draw. That is very important. The blindly if you draw, that is not a character. Okay, so here I want to edit the shape here. So for that, breaking that shape, so use control and then move this, so it is changing. So don't forget, designing, character designing is not a simply a drawing. The other things also involving. So you have to understand the character description, character mode and everything, then only you can possible to do that. Otherwise simple tracing, simple the blindly if you draw anything, that is not the character. So these things, about these things already I explained you in the character designing stage. We already discussed about character designing and the concept development and all. So there already I explained you. I hope all you have an idea about that. Then here I am explaining only tracing only, so not keeping this in different layers. So that I'll explain separately, because when you want to animate this character, suppose the same character, you cannot trace the whole drawing in the same layer. Okay, so if you do that, you cannot animate that. So for that I'll explain the coming lessons. This is only I am explaining about the tracing, how to trace. Suppose if you feel these lines are very thick, make it 0.5. Yes, now it can be smaller. Control S. Then again N. is a kind of expression this is. So as per that we have to do this. Yes, Control S. So I don't want this fill or time being. Can keep this, make it smaller. Okay. Okay, and then Control C, Control Shift V, so that is duplicated, and now get the small size and you can keep this. This can be a highlight. Can move this up to here. Yes, and now here so this is very important to maintain that expression. Control C, Control Shift V. So this camera is not required. Yes. Okay, so this is there. Okay, this is Control S. So I'm adding this nose. So here only two tools I'm using. What are those? A line tool and selection tool. With these two tools I'm creating entire your character. So line tool is very important in Flash. So mostly we create all your drawings by this tool only. Okay, so this is in nose portion. So I want to get the nice shape of that. This is good. Yes, this is good. Okay, suppose this is good. Just control S and the mouth shape. Okay, then here add some skin fold, and this side also you can add skin fold, and you can move there. Okay, so control S and then here this is the outside of the hair. Okay, so Control S. So again N, N and V I'm using. Okay, so because I'm tracing here, so that is explaining is already a process. The work process already explained how to arrange in layers and how to import, okay, and how to use line tool and how to use this selection tool and all. So that is the reason, without saying anything, simply I'm tracing this. So you have to understand this. Sometimes more than explanation, you have to observe the procedure, how I'm doing. Because mostly this is a practical work. The theory is very less. Where there is a theory, there definitely I'm explaining, but you have to understand the procedure practically. It's very, very important, that is. The tracing is not yet finished today because it is a big drawing, but I wanted to trace completely in two parts. In two parts video I'll show you the whole tracing procedure, because this is the assignment, this is the class on tracing. In two parts, in two videos I'll explain you the tracing procedure, and another video I'll do the coloring. Okay, because that is very important for you. Okay, so Control S. Okay, so now I'm stopping this. We'll continue in the next classes. So you can Control C, Control V. Okay, so Control S. So up to here, today I explain you how to trace in Animate CC, and next session, next class, I'll try to finish the whole the body, because I want to explain the whole thing, whole tracing and coloring and light and shades and the ground shadow. Okay, so these things I want to complete this fully. So but today I'm stopping this at this stage only. Okay, so you also choose your own character, your interested character. you draw sketch on paper and you can scan it and get into Animate CC and make the onion skin and start to trace. Okay, in the next class I'll explain the other part of the tracing. Okay, thank you.